Am I the only one whose stomach thinks it's a nightclub at 3 a.m.? What you're hearing isn't hunger, it's a scheduled cleanup. Stick with me, it's wild. Your stomach growls when your digestive system runs the migrating motor complex, the MMC. It's a wave of muscle contractions that sweeps leftover food and bacteria through your gut between meals, roughly every 90-120 minutes. Think of it as the gut's Roomba. Noisy, efficient, and only active when you're not eating. Stress, caffeine, irregular meals can make it louder or come at weird times. It's normal. Unless you have pain, fever, weight loss, bloating, then get checked. Pro tip: regular meals, hydrate, chill on excessive caffeine to quiet the orchestra. Your belly's just doing its job. Now, you know what to blame for the soundtrack.